Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Today we will show you how to remove and replace the bake igniter for this Whirlpool freestanding range. To begin the repair, we must first access the rear of the unit.
Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas.
Now that we're at the rear of the unit, we're going to start by removing the lower cover. There are 4 screws that hold the cover on. With the cover removed, we'll set it aside. Some indications of a bad igniter would be intermittent no heat or no heating at all. The way to test a bake igniter is with a meter. We're going to unplug our igniter, and on our igniter side of the harness, we can check for resistance. We should have less than 1 ohm. If you have less than 1 ohm and you still don't have it heating, you can check the other side of the harness with the stove plugged in. Push the bake button and you should have 120 volts coming out of this Molex. To remove the bake igniter, we now have to go back around to the front. Next, we'll open the oven door, pull out our cooking racks. Remove the lower panel. And now we have access to our igniter. We're going to take the Phillips screw out of the burner in the front. And then we can pull our burner right out and guide our wires through the hole in the back. We're going to take the 2 5/16 bolts out. And separate our igniter from our burner and set it aside. With our new bake igniter, being careful not to touch the surface of our element, we're going to put it back on our burner. Straighten out your wire so that it feeds through the back of the wall of the oven really easy. And we're going to slide our wire connector in first, feeding it through both the holes, and slide on our burner, and then install the screw in the front. And we're going to install our lower cover. And then we could install our bake racks. And then finish up at the rear. The last thing you want to do is take your harness, connect your igniter, kind of tuck your wires together so that you can install your lower cover. Make sure you have your wires tucked in real nice. Take your screws. Let's get the screws started. And that will finish the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.